हेलो बच्चों, आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डेटरमिनेंट्स। ये प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डेटरमिनेंट्स आपको सीबीएसई के अंदर एक 4 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आएगा जिसको सॉल्व करने में हेल्प करेंगी। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 1। द वैल्यू ऑफ डेटरमिनेंट्स रिमेन अनचेंज इफ इट्स रोज और कॉलम आर इंटरचेंज। टेक एन एग्जांपल ए। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now if its rows and column are interchanged, then this becomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here these rows becomes column, this row becomes this column, and third row becomes third columns. If we find the value of these determinants, this and value of this remains same. This is also a quantity and this is also a quantity. If we solve these determinants, here we find that value of this determinant is equal to this is the transpose of this matrix. If this is a matrix, then this is a transpose of determinant of this A transpose determinant. Now move to property number 2. If any two rows or columns of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of determinants changed. Let's take an example. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. If this is a determinant, if we change any two rows or column, means R1 goes to R2 and R2 goes to R1, then it becomes D, E, F, A, B, C and G, H, I. Here these two, this is the given determinants, and when we change to this R1 to R2, this determinants become this. So when we take the value, find the determinant value of this A is equal to value of this minus of A. If these are the numbers, if this is positive, this negative, or this is negative, then this becomes positive, and this is this, then this becomes this. Okay, move to next property number 3. First, if we take a 2 by 2 matrix, if this is A, and when we change R1 to R2, R2 to R1, this becomes this, and when we find the value of this determinant, it becomes 1 minus 6 becomes minus 5, and here 3 into 2 minus 1, this is 5. This is the same. If this is negative and this becomes positive, if this positive, then this becomes negative. Okay, अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 3. If any two rows or column of a determinant are identical, then value of determinant is 0. Now take an example. A. Determinant A, B, C. A, B, C, P, Q, R. Here two rows are equal. So value of this determinant becomes 0. Another example. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or we can say 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Here this column 1 and column 3 are identical, mean every element of this equal to every element of this column. Then the value of this determinants becomes 0. We don't need to find its product. Now move to property number 4. If each element of a row or column of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, then its value multiplied by k. Take an example. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you multiply this determinant by a fixed value 4, 4a, each element of row or column, means if we take this R1 goes to twice R1, then this determinant becomes R1 goes to twice R1 means 2, 4, 3, 4. Now we get two determinant. One is A and one is this. When 2 is multiplied by its R1. Now we have to find value of these two determinant. Here 4 into 1, 4. Minus 3 into 2, 6. This becomes minus 2. For this 4 into 2, 8. Minus 3 into 4, 12. This becomes minus 4. This property says that if each element of a row or column is determined by multiplied by constant k, here R1 is multiplied with 2, then its value means value of this determinant is also multiplied by k. Minus 2 means minus 2 into 2 minus 4, and these two values remains same. This is property number 5. Here, if some or all elements of a row or column of a determinant are expressed as sum of two or more terms, then the determinant can be expressed in terms of two or more determinants. Take an example. A is a determinant. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. If this can be added with alpha, this is 1, and this can be, here only one element of first row can be expressed as sum of two elements. Now this can be expressed as A, D, G, B, E, H, C F I plus A B G alpha E H and C F I. If we can find the value of this determinant is equal to the value of, if we add the determinant value of these two determinants are same. Take another example. This is B equal to 1, A plus B, C plus D, or E plus F, P Q R S T U. This can be, here we can write all elements sum of two terms. Now this can be expressed A P S C Q P E R U plus B P S D Q T D Q T and F R U F R U. Now this single determinant value of this is equal to, when we apply calculate the determinant of value of these two determinants and add them together, the value same in this form also. This is last property, property number 6. If to each element of any row or column of a determinant, the multiples of corresponding elements of other row or column are added, their value of determinants remains the same. Take an example. A 0 0 2 1 3 4 0 2 1 0. This is a determinant. If we change R1 to R1 plus twice R3, means R3 goes to R1 plus twice R3, then this becomes, here these two rows remains the same, 1 3 4 0 2 or 0. Now we can change this R1 plus twice R3, R1 0 plus this twice of 0 is 0, 0 plus twice of this 4, and 2 plus twice of this 2. Now we get two determinant. This is A dash by applying this property. It says that added there the value of determinants remains the same. अगर हम ऐसा कर देते हैं किसी रो या कॉलम में मल्टीप्लाई करके किसी दूसरी रो और कॉलम के साथ किसी रो के हर एलिमेंट में जोड़ दिया, every element to each element, then the value of both the determinants will be same. Now check. If we expand this along R1 के along इसको हम expand करेंगे, क्या आएगा? 0 into 3 4 2 0 minus 0 into 1040 1040. plus 2 into 1032. This becomes 0 and this also becomes 0 and this becomes 2 into 1 2 minus 0, it becomes 4. Now we can find the determinant value of this A dash. Now we can expand it along R3. Expand this along R3. This 0 into 4 3 2 4. This is 3 1 3 2 mean minus 2 into 0 1 2 4. 0 1 2 4. Again this plus 0 into 0 1 4 3. 0 1 4 3. Now this becomes 0 minus 2 into 4 into 0 0 minus 1 into 2 2 and plus 0. This becomes minus 2 into minus 2 equal to 4 and this is 0. So both cases the value remains the same. This is last property.